Opinion Best Cydia Apps for iOS. Cydia is a popular alternative app store for jailbroken iOS devices, offering a wide range of apps, tweaks, and modifications that are not available on the official App Store. Here are some of the best Cydia apps and tweaks for iOS. 1. Activator. Activator allows you to customize and automate various actions on your device using gestures, button presses, and other triggers. You can assign shortcuts to launch apps, perform system actions, toggle settings, and more. 2. Winterboard/Anemone. Winterboard and Anemone are theming platforms that allow you to customize the appearance of your device's interface. You can install themes to change the icons, wallpapers, UI elements, and other visual aspects of iOS. 3. iFile/Filza. iFile and Filza are file manager apps that give you access to the file system on your iOS device. You can browse, view, edit, and manage files and folders, including system files and directories. 4. Zeppelin. Zeppelin allows you to customize the carrier logo, status bar icon, on your device. You can choose from a variety of pre-made logos or create your own custom logo. 5. Springtomize. Springtomize is a powerful customization tweak that allows you to tweak and customize various aspects of the iOS interface. You can adjust settings related to the home screen, app icons, animations, status bar, dock, and more. 6. Swipe selection. Swipe selection enhances the iOS keyboard by allowing you to move the cursor and select text more easily using swipe gestures on the keyboard. 7. Cylinder. Cylinder is a fun tweak that adds animated page transitions to your device's home screen. You can choose from a variety of transition effects to customize the way app icons move when you swipe between pages. 8. Eclipse/Dark Mode. Eclipse and Dark Mode are tweaks that add system-wide dark mode functionality to iOS, allowing you to enable dark mode for various apps and interfaces. 9. BioProtect X/AppLocker. BioProtect X and AppLocker are security tweaks that allow you to protect individual apps and folders with Touch ID, Face ID, or a passcode. 10. TetherMe. TetherMe enables native tethering functionality on your device, allowing you to share your device's internet connection with other devices via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Remember that jailbreaking your device and installing Cydia apps and tweaks comes with risks, including potential security vulnerabilities and instability. Make sure to research and choose reputable sources for Cydia apps and tweaks, and always back up your device before making any significant changes. Additionally, be aware that jailbreaking may void your device's warranty and could potentially cause issues with future iOS updates. Proceed with caution and at your own risk.